Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to add a drop-down menu on Wix Mobile. So if you're working on the mobile editor of your website, and if you need to add a drop-down menu, just follow this video and by the end of it, we'll know how to do it. So when we open our editor in the mobile version, there are two basic versions of editing. One is the desktop version of your website, and the other one is the mobile version of your website. If you see some applications that have a mobile version but not desktop version, that means that they've only made the mobile version. So it's completely up to us that if you want to make a mobile version or a desktop version. So we're right here. What do we need to do now is we need to click on here, back to editor, and it's gonna take us back to the editing of the mobile version. So now here you see these three dots right here. Now our entire work is with this. So when we click it, when we highlight it, we can see a menu is popped up right here. So what do we need to do? We need to click on edit menu, and then we need to click on settings. And here, what can we do? We can just reset the menu. And here you go. Now, for example, here it is. You can click here again and then set as advanced, set as advanced. And now let's add another menu, for example. Now I have added this menu and it's by the name of Lund. And now if I need to add this Lund into a menu from here, because I need to make it a drop-down menu. So I'm going to drag it and put it right inside home. So the Lund has gone inside home, and now the Lund is in the home. So this is more or less a drop-down menu. So we can just click here and then click on preview and see how does it look, if you are successful or not. So I click here, and here you can see that if I click home, I'll get Lund right here. So that's how you add a drop-down menu. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this in the future. I'll see you with more videos like this in the future.